Okay, here's the project video for Victor. We are going to put in a new board-on-board cap and trim fence, Japanese cedar. We're going to upgrade them to clear if available. Board-on-board cap and trim here to this corner, and we're going to go to this line right here where you can see this other fence. So this will be this is where we're going to stop right here. That we're going to leave alone for next project. And then also the gate, where you want the gate? Right in the center. He wants the gate right here in the middle. Okay, that's where the gate goes. Now we're going to go to the other side and look at the project there. Okay, so now we're going to do on this side, we're going to remove all this here to that corner right there. Okay, we go over here to that corner. We're going to stop there. We're going to leave that alone for next project, but we are going to put a sliding gate here. It's going to be 12 feet long. From here this way is going to be from there, right? From here this way, right? From right where this driveway, this hole right here, from right here, this line, 12 feet that way.
That's not funny.
Yeah, we're gonna stop here for the sliding gate, and it does kind of go up a little bit here, so we're gonna have to dig out a little bit, but it levels out pretty much right here. So this is a little bit rise, a little bit down, but we are gonna put we're not gonna put a pad. We're just gonna put the footers. We're gonna put the 3x3 steel across, and we're gonna put the rail on top, and then we're gonna put the footers down in the ground, and it's gonna slide this way. Gonna slide this way. Then you'll have your gate there, 4x4, 4x4, and 8-foot board-on-board cap and trim with one gate here, and we're gonna stop at that corner right there. Okay. And I think let me get the front here. You can see here, just to let you look right here. All the way to this corner over here. Right there. Okay. Again, it does go down a little bit, and he's okay. I told him about how that rail is going to go up. So that rail is going to go up, and he's going to see the 3x3s coming up off the ground, because he doesn't want a concrete pad. So we're going to do it that way. So it's going to go up probably about three inches maybe on this side over here, a little bit when it slides. So